Question 4 in the truck build Q&A series. LOL, so where did the towels end up going? From Emma Harmon. Now, it was one of the, you had to watch the episode to get the reference. Tom and I had a mighty big disagreement during the truck build about where to hang our towels, because Tom is like 202 centimeters tall, so he's a big guy, right? And he wanted to hang the towels, put a full towel rack up there close to the ceiling above that photo, but that meant for me that I can't even reach, and the towels would hang down here like a big feature. So where the towels went become a huge argument, and then I saw a thing on the block where a little chickie on there had the exact same argument, which just made my day. So where did the towels end up going? Well, my towel hangs here on a towel rack like a normal person at a normal person height, but Tom did get his way, and he has almost 2 meter high, actually probably is 2 meters high, towel rack in the bathroom. So he just throws his towel over the door rail here when he's having a shower so it doesn't get wet, and then hangs it back up there to air, and it airs actually quite well under that vent, but at least I'm not looking at his towel.